In this video, we're going to take a look at the boot up screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra versus the Galaxy A15 versus the Galaxy A53. So let's start with this one, Galaxy A53. So press and hold on the side button, and then here I'll press and hold on the side button to boot it up, and then the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let's see which one will boot up the fastest to the home screen. So here is already showing the Android logo. So straight away, I've got to my home screen. The phone is now ready for use. This one is the first one that we started, and now it's just booting up. So phone is starting. So the S25 Ultra is already ready for us to use. We can launch app, phone application. Here, now it's ready. Tap on that. There's a little lagging, but it's working. Here we've got the A15, which is the slowest, and it's still trying to starting up. And once it started, I still can't use it yet. This one here is already ready for use. And here, if I tap on the phone application, it takes a while to open. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.